Good morning student. Today we are going to next program the exchange the contents of these two blocks, and aim is a block of data is stored in memory location from 7060 to 7063. Another block of data having the same length is stored in memory location starting from 7100. Write the program to exchange the content of these two blocks. In this program, so first counter C is equal to 0 0 with the help of instruction MVI 04 to C, means our input has 4 input. In our program has 4 input. First, as usual, we initialize the memory counter 7060 with the help of instruction LXI H7060. First, in this program we initialize two memory location. First, initialize the HL pair. Next, initialize the DE pair and memory content 7100. In HL pair content 01, 02, 03, 04 and memory address 7060, 7061, 7062, 7063 respectively. D contain 21, 22, 23 and 24. Memory address 7100, 7101, 7102 and 7103 respectively. First, LDAXD with the help of this instruction 21 memory content 7100 data move in accumulator, and memory content 7060, that is the HL pair 01 content the data move in register B. So register A has 21 and register B in 01. Here 21 in stored in accumulator move memory location 7060. You can see here instead of 1 stored in 21. Next, register B data 01 move in register A with the help of this instruction move B to A. Stacks D. With the help of this instruction, register A content move in memory location 7100. See here students, instead of 21, 01 is stored in 7100. HL pair previous slide microprocessor pointed 7060 and increment by 1. Microprocessor pointed by 7061. Same as microprocessor pointed plus 1 in DE pair with the help of INX D. Decrement counter C is equal to 0. First time we put C is equal to 04. If counter is not 0, again load accumulator with D pair and with the help of DCRC. Here a completed program and it is the output. Before execution 7060 1, 2, 3, 4. 7100 21, 22, 23, 24. After execution 7060 instead of 1 here 21, 22, 23, 24 and 7100 instead of 21, 1 instead of 22, 2, 23, 3, and instead of 24, 4. So we completed exchange the content of these two blocks. Next performance aim is a block of data is stored in memory location from 7060H to 7068H. Another block of data having the same length is stored in memory locations starting from 7100H. Write a program to exchange the content of block these two blocks. Then again I reset. So accept SCR. Microprocessor asks the starting address 7000 and opcode is 0E. Next is 04. Next 21. Next 60. 7004 is 70. 7005 opcode is 11. Next 0 0. Again 7 1. Again 1. Sorry, A. C 7009 opcode is the 4646. Then 7 7. Next 78. Then 1 2 23. Again I press enter. 700E is 1 3. Next 0 D. Next C 2. Then 0 8. Next 7 0 and finally CF. Next step for input. CR 7 0 6 0. Here input is 0 1 0 2 0 3 and 0 4. Next memory location 7 1 0 0. We take input 21 22 23 and 24. Time for execution. Accept G CR starting address 7000. Enter. Here is command means our program is correct. Accept SCR 7060. So you can see here instead of 121, instead of 222, instead of 323 and 24. Again next memory location we check 7100. You can see here instead of 21 is 1, 22 2, instead of 23 is 3 and here is 4. So we completed exchange program.